Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we have completed chapter number 2, that was Roman numeral. So in today's session, I'm going to start with the next chapter from our maths book, that is chapter number 3. Okay, so chapter number 3 is addition. Okay, so today I'm going to start with chapter number 3. So all of you open your books at page number 24, that is addition, and write down the today's date on the page number 24, that is addition. Okay, so this is chapter number 3, and the topic is addition. Okay, so this is the topic, that is addition. So first of all, what is the meaning of addition? देखिए, since class pre-class or from pre-nursery or the since class 1, you are doing addition, subtraction. Okay, so आप addition, subtraction class 1 से करते आए हो. Okay, but as your class as you are being promoted to the next class, there's a little change in the number of digits that you need to add. So when you was in class 1, you were doing addition of 1 digit number and 2 digit number, and then in class 2 you were doing addition of 3 digit number and 4 digit number. Okay, now you're in class 4, so that's why your syllabus will be little bit high. Okay, so today we are going to start with the addition of numbers. It may be 2 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, there is no such limit. Okay, so we are going to do the addition with carry and without carry. Without carry and with carry. देखिए, without carrying you already doing that simple addition without any carry forward आप करते आए हो since class 1. Okay, so today we will start with the addition of carrying, with carrying, that is also known as regrouping. Okay, so first of all, I'll just give you simple examples for the addition without carry. Addition without carrying. The first is addition without addition without carrying. Okay, without carrying. Okay, so let's just add 4, 3, 8, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay, so you just need to add these 4 digit number. So 4,385 plus 2,314. So just add them. 2 plus 4, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. And 4 plus 2, 6. So after addition, we got the answer, that is 6,696. So this is addition without carrying. तो इसमें हमने किसी भी तरह का carrying नहीं की. So this is addition without carrying. Okay, so this was a simple one that you are doing from the class 1. Now we will do the addition with carrying. Okay, अब यहाँ से without की जगह it will be addition with carrying. Addition with carrying. CARRYNG. This is addition with carrying. So that means इसमें जो हम addition करेंगे, we will carry the digit. And how you are going to carry the digit, that is more important. So kindly listen very carefully. Suppose the number is 2,738 plus 4,373. Suppose you have to add these two numbers. Suppose you need to add these two numbers, that is 2,738, 4,373, and now you need to add these two numbers. Okay, so now let's add. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, we can't write 11 like this. हम इसमें 8 और 3 को जब ऐड करेंगे we will get 11, but we can't write it like this. So what we do is, अगर here we are having the 11, so the last digit we will put here and the front digit we will carry here. इसको हम यहाँ लेके जाएंगे, this one. Okay, so 11 का एक यहाँ, so the at 11 the digit at ones place will remain here, whereas the digit at tens place, that is also 1, that will carry to the next number. Now let's add them. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 1, again 11, 1 here, okay, and another one we will carry to the next number. Okay, next 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11, again 11, 1 here, another one we will carry here. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So that means अगर आपके पास आंसर को ऐड करके if you get the two digits, so जो उसका ones place digit है that you will write down, and the tens place digit you will carry to the next number in the on the above. Okay, and जब आप उसको next number के ऊपर लेके जाओगे, you are going to add them. First of all, add the numbers that are already given. Okay, that is 3 plus 7, that is 10. 10 के बाद just add the other one. So आपको जो carry number किया हुआ that you should also add. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the addition with carry. Okay, so this is a quite simple one. Okay, so more practice you do, you will be easily able to do the additions. Okay, so now as this is the simple addition, and I hope most of you must already been most of you already knowing that how to add the numbers with carrying. Okay, chaliye, so here today we will start with exercise 3.1, and in exercise 3.1 you can see there are lots of questions are there. So there are near about 31 questions that is given in the book. So some of the questions you can do in the book, and some of you can do in the notebooks as well. So this is depends upon you. Whatever you could do want to do in the book, you can do that, and the sums you don't want to in the notebook, you want to do on the notebook, you can do it in the notebook as well. Okay, so let's begin with exercise 3.1. Okay, so now we are starting with exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Okay, so let's begin with the question of exercise 3.1. Okay, okay, so let's begin with question number 1. So the question number 1 is, that is add. Okay, so that means the chapter is related to the addition, and we have to do all the question of addition only. The question number 1 is, okay, this is 25,021 plus 12,967. देखिए बेटा, जब आप क्वेश्चन नोटबुक में लिखेंगे, जस्ट मेक श्योर दूसरे एक डिजिट के नीचे दूसरा डिजिट आना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू आर गोइंग टू पुट द डिजिट बिलो द अदर डिजिट. Okay, don't put it like in a zigzag position. Okay, just put the digit below the other one. Okay, so let's add them. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 0 plus 9, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so after adding them all, so the number we got is, so after adding 25,021 and 12,096, we got, this is 37,988. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the sums of addition. Okay, so after adding we got 37,988. Okay, chaliye, moving next to the second one. The second is 36,728. 36,728 plus 43,061. 43,061. Okay, so let's add them. Okay, so now we need to add these two numbers as well. So let's add them. 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 6, 8, 7 plus 0, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 4, 7. So this is the addition without carry. देखिए इसमें हमने कोई भी कैरी नहीं किया है. So this is the addition without carry. Okay. So this is how you are going to do this. Okay. So here I have already told there are near about 31 questions that is given in your book, and you can do any 15 sums in your notebook and rest you can do in the notebook only. Okay. So book के ऊपर आप सारे करेंगे and the notebook you need to do at least 15 sums. Okay. So that will be practice for you for the addition. Okay. So this is how you are going to solve it. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks properly. चलिए, moving next to the third one. Okay. Now we are moving to the third one. So I am just writing the exercise here. Now this is exercise 3.1. Moving to the third one. The third is 45,630. 45,630 plus 20,149. 20,149. 20,149. So now let's add them. Okay, so let's add them. So let's add them. 0 plus 9, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so this is also the addition without carrying. Okay, so this is also the sum in which we have done the addition without carrying. And the answer is 65. After adding 45,630 with 20,149, the answer we got is 65,779. Clear? Chale. Moving next to the fourth one. Okay, so in the fourth, the number is 50,829. 50,829 plus 37,160. 37,160. Now let's add them. Okay, so 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 0 plus 7, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer is 87,989. So after adding 50,829 with 37,160, we got 87,989. So this is how you are going to do the sums of addition. Okay, question number 5 and 6. This is also same like question 1, 2, 3, 4 that we have done. Okay. So I'm not going to do all the questions here. So some questions I will do here and rest of the question you are going to do by yourself. Okay, so some questions I'm going to solve here and baki sare beta you are going to do it by yourself. So that will be practice for you so that you can solve the sums. Okay, so now after question number 4, now let's move to question number 7. Okay, so let's do question number 7. Question number 7 is, okay, so in question number 7, 4,198 plus 2,964. 2,964. Okay, now let's add them. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, this is 12. So देखिए 12 is here. So 2 that is at one's place, we will write it here and 1 will be carried upward. तो 2 जो 10th प्लेस सॉरी 1st प्लेस पे उसको हम नीचे लिखेंगे एंड 1 जो 10th प्लेस में 12 पे उसको हम ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज 12. नेक्स्ट 9 plus 6 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, now 1 is also there. 15 plus 1 16. 16 is this. So 6 we will put here and 1 we will carry to the next number. Okay, this is 16. Next 1 plus 9 10 plus 1 that is 11. 1 यहाँ पे another one we will carry here. Okay, this is how. Next 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 that is 7. So after adding 4198 with 2964 we got 7162. So beta this is called the addition with carrying. This is called addition with carrying. So here we have done the addition with carrying. So इसमें हमने carry करते करते to the next number we have done the addition. So this is addition with carrying. Okay. Moving next to the question number 8. Okay, so now we will move to question number 8. Question number 8 is 5734 plus 1879. So let's add them also. So 4 plus 9 13. So 3 will be here and 1 we will carry here. This is 13. Next 3 plus 7 10 plus 1 11. 1 and next one will be here. That is 11. 7 plus 8 15 plus 1 16. 6 will be here. 1 we will carry here. This is 16. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 this is 7. This is 7. So after adding 5374 with 1879 we got 7613 and this is the addition with carrying. Okay, so this is the sum. These are the carrying sums. Okay, that addition with carrying. Okay, and these kinds of sums you are going to do in your notebooks. Clear? You can pause it here and note it down in the notebooks. Okay, so let's do few more sums. Okay, so now question number up to question number 18. So 7 to 18 the sums are like this only. From question number 19 there are addition with two addition is little bit different. देखिए question number 18 तक we have added only two numbers. Now in question number 19 we need to add the three numbers, not three digits. I'm talking about three numbers. So let's see question number 19. Okay. Now we will do question number 19. This is question number 19. So the question number 19 is 5805 next 733 next 2541 So now we need to add them. So now we need to add these three numbers. So देखिए one important thing that is given here is this is 1 2 3 4. This is 4 digit number 1 2 3. This is 3 digit number 1 2 3 4. This is again 4 digit number. So देखिए हमने इसमें 3 digits और 2 4 digit number को add किया है. But that will not make any kind of difference in the number. Okay, so that will not make any kind of difference. So you need to just add as simple you are doing okay, adding before. जैसे आप normally add करते हो वैसे ही as it is you need to add it as well. Okay, so let's add them. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. Okay, 0 plus 3 3 plus 4 7. Okay, 3 plus 4 7. Next 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 0. 2 will be carried here to the next number. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. So the answer is 9079. 9079. So after adding 5805, 733, 2541, we got 9079. Okay. Chaliye. Let's do one more question, few more questions that are related to the same. So the next question is question number 20. Let's do question number 20. So the question number 20 is 4309 plus 1982 plus 1982 plus 1543. 1543. So let's add them. Okay. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 9 plus 2, 11. And the 3, 14. 4 will be here. 1 will be carried to the next number. Okay. So now 0 plus 8 is 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 will be here and 1 will be carried to the next number. Clear? 3 plus 9, 12. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Plus 1, 18. So this is 18. 8 will be here. 1 will be carried forward. Okay. Now let's add them. 4 plus 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. Plus 1, 7. So the answer is 7834. So after adding 4309, 1982, 1543, we got 7834. So now you must have observed beta that in this the addition is simple as we are doing. Okay, there is no change in the method of addition. चाहे आपको 3 digit number add करने हो, 4 digit हो, 5 digit हो, जो भी हो, but the method of addition will be same as it is that we were doing before. Okay, चलिए. So let's do few more sums. So let's do question number 22. So देखिए here before this we were adding 4 digit number, 3 digit numbers. So now we will do the addition of 5 digit number. Okay, so let's do the addition of 5 digit number. Okay. This is addition of 5 digit number. So addition of 5 digit number is starting from question number 22. 22 question is addition of 5 digit number. Okay, in question number 22 we need to add 62,775 plus 24,829. 24,829. So let's add them. This is 62,775 plus 24,829. So let's add them. So they both are 5 digit number, but the addition is same. So same method we are going to follow in the addition of whether it's 4 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit or 10 digit. Okay, so let's add them. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 will be here. 1 will be carried here. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1. Okay, now 7 plus 8, 15. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 1, 16. 6, 1 will be carried here. This is 16. Next, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1. This is 7. This is 7. Okay, तो इसमें देखिए कोई भी कैरी फॉरवर्ड नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट 6 plus 2, 8. That is 87,604. 87,604. So after adding 62,775 with 24,829, we got the answer. This is 87,604. Okay. So this is question number 22. Chaliye. Now let's move to question number 23. Let's do question number 23. So question number 23 is also the addition of 5-digit number. Okay. Question number 23 is 15,629. 15,629 plus 26,996. 26,996. So let's add them. Okay, so now we are going to add these two. 9 plus 6, 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 will be carried here. Okay. 9 plus 2, 11. Plus 1, 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be carried forward to the next number. Okay. Next. 6 plus 9, 15 plus 1, 16, 6, 1 will be carried here. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, that is 12. 2, 1 will be carried here. That is 12. Next. Now add them. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1. This is 4. This is 4. So after adding 15,629 with 26,996, we got 42,625. So this is the answer solution of question number 23. Okay, this is the solution 22 and 23. You can pause the video here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Chaliye. Now we will move to some few more questions. Okay, so I'm just giving you some examples of the different questions. Okay. So now we will do question number 30. So let's do question number 30. Okay, so let's add question number 30. This is question number 30 is 27,495. 27,495 plus 18,931. 18,931 plus 24,175. 24,175. So let's add them. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 1 will be here. The next one will be carried here. Okay. 9 plus 3. Okay. So in spite of 9 plus 3, complicated. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 9, 19. Plus 1, 20. 0. 2. 20 aaya, 2 will be carried forward to the next number. Okay. Next. 4 plus 9, 13. Plus 1, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 6 will be here and 1 will be carried to the next number. Clear? Next. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 0. 2 will be carried to the next number. Okay. Next. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. This is 7. So after adding 27,495, 18,931, 24,175, we got 70,601. So देखिए now here we are adding 3 5-digit numbers. तो यहाँ पे हमने 3 5-digit numbers को add किया, but the method, the procedure we followed is same. Okay, so this is how you are going to do all the sums of exercise 3.1. So this is your homework. Okay, so this is the homework also, that complete your work. Sorry, complete exercise from number 1 to 31 in your book, and do any 10 sums in your note. In spite of 15, you can do any 10 sums in your notebook. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the today's session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.